How you doing, Bonita National fans? Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group at Bonita National Golf and Country Club. Beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. Today I am going to be showing you a super secret off-market opportunity here in the verandas. It's a Diangelo floor plan, 2 bedrooms with a den, comes with a 1-car garage. This home is being offered turnkey, furnished, ready to rock and roll. $299 is the price on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look. It's going to be a 2nd floor unit. You got this beautiful paved walkway coming up. These garages are detached, so you have a nice walkway with landscaping in between. Now we're going to be heading upstairs here. Nice part about these veranda units, you have 2 lanai spaces, 1 in the front, 1 in the back. So you see this really nice sitting area here as soon as we come in. Some beautiful outdoor furniture here. Let's get a better look here at the front. So you have this, and then also your rear lanai as well. So let's go take a look inside. This one is decorator furnished from Gauss's Furniture. They do a really outstanding job on these units. A nice wall mirror right here in your foyer. As you walk in directly to the left, you have your first guest bedroom. Nice size suite here. Great little furnishing package. These owners painted the entire interior from what Lennar offers at a base. There's your bifold closet there. And that's just off the guest bedroom here. Granite countertops. And nicely put together bathroom here. Again, this was completely decorated by Jason at Gauss's Furniture. Does an awesome job. Definitely adds a nice touch. Nice gray tone paints in here. Right here in the hallway, you do have a laundry space here. So you have a full-size washer and dryer. And then on the other side of the guest bedroom is your master suite. Nice king-size furniture package that you have here. Again, this is being offered turnkey furnished. So what you see is what you get. This unit is ready to go for you. You have 2 closets here, left and right side. The right side is a walk-in, left side is more of your coat style closet. And then in your bathroom, you have your commode directly to the left, granite countertops, dual sinks, your seated vanity, and then your glass enclosed shower here. Also, you have this nice pocket door here that you can close and give yourself a little bit of privacy there in the bathroom. Coming out into the main areas, nice wall art here. You'll get everything that you see with this purchase. And this opens up nicely into this great room area here. But let's first look directly behind me. I mentioned this is a 2-bedroom with a den. So here's your den here. Nice flex space that you can utilize, get some work done, some extra couch space as well. You have your dining area here, beautiful 4-top. All the lighting here was replaced. All the walls were painted, really nicely put together. And this overlooks the great room here. So nice package and nicely designed. Your kitchen, you have stainless appliances, granite countertops. You have a tile on the diagonal throughout the main areas, carpet in the bedrooms. All your valances are in place already. You have your 2-inch faux wood blinds, another 4-top here in the Eden kitchen area. That overlooks the water, the golf, and the preserve view, which we're going to get a better look at here in a moment. Nice pantry closet here. And again, here's the the kitchen. Better look there. And your living room here, ready to go, flat screen TVs, the whole deal. And this all overlooks your beautiful view out your back lanai. So you have water view, views of the golf course. So you have the tee box there, the fairway view, and if you poke your head around, the green is directly past the palm tree where you see those bunkers right there. It's a really nice view. You get a little bit of everything, the best of all views here. And again, here's another look on the inside. So this home here can be yours. $299 is the price. Turnkey, ready to go. Everything you see, you get. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group, bringing you the latest and greatest from Bonita National. You can visit bonitanationalcc.com. For all the latest and greatest info on Bonita National, you can also email me at roberto@bonitanationalcc.com or call me direct at 239-671-4046 if you're ready to make this view your own. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.